There are several sensors that can be used with the TrolMaster HydroX controller. All of the sensors will connect into the port labeled Sensors on the HydroX using Y-splitters or the SPH1 power hub. Now let's take a closer look at each of the available sensors. The MBS-TH sensor is a combination temperature, humidity, and photocell sensor, which comes with the main controller. TrolMaster recommends the MBS-TH be placed towards the center of the growing area at or near canopy height. With this single sensor connected, the HydroX will measure the air temperature and relative humidity levels, as well as determine whether it is day or night. The first of the optional sensors on the HydroX is the MBS-S8 CO2 sensor. With the MBS-S8 CO2 sensor connected to the HydroX, you will now be able to measure CO2 levels within the area as well as to control the supplemental CO2 device once a CO2 device module is connected to the HydroX. The Full Spectrum Quantum Sensor, MBS-PAR, is a highly accurate PAR meter which provides measurement of photosynthetically active radiation from all light sources. It is placed at the top of the canopy to measure the amount of light plants absorb. Users can select the amount of light they want the plants to have, and the HydroX system will automatically increase or decrease the output level of your supplemental lighting systems to continuously maintain the exact lighting level. This makes it very easy for greenhouse operators using supplemental lighting and natural lighting to maintain a steady lighting level. TrolMaster's products are designed to protect the growing area, such as fire, water leaks, and also inform the operators to any problems within the growing area. When the smoke detector MBS-SD is connected to the HydroX, it will send a notification to the user's smart devices to alert them to smoke within the growing area. Up to 5 smoke detectors can be connected to a single HydroX controller. The water leak detector WD2 is a simple water leak sensor that can be placed at ground level on the floor. Up to 5 water detectors can be connected to a single HydroX controller. If any of the sensors detect a water leak, the unit will send a user alert to notify user of a water leak.